Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's time to open my Ipsy bag again. I got my Ipsy bag for the month of July. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show you what I got. I am not sure what's in this bag. I've seen a lot of videos on BoxyCharm, so I'm pretty sure what's in my BoxyCharm, but my Ipsy bag, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive in and I'm gonna be surprised right along with y'all. But I want to see how long I can go opening this bag without my glasses, without needing my glasses. Okay, that's a cute little bag. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like this month. It's like an orange, feels like canvas actually. It's not the faux leather or pleather that they send sometime. It's more of a canvas style bag, and as you can see it says Ipsy down here, and it has a cute little tassel. So just in case you don't know what Ipsy is, it's a monthly beauty subscription that you can get in the mail, post office box, on your doorstep, your porch, wherever, every month. And mine is $10.88 a month, including shipping. So it's not too bad to get some nice makeup or beauty related products every month delivered to your door. So a lot of times you can watch videos so you can get some little spoilers or teasers as far as what you're going to get, but I like surprises. So anyway, this is the card that came in the box this month. It says selfie with no filter, and on the back here, I'm trying, y'all, I'm trying with no glasses, but I can't do it. I can't do it. That didn't last long, did it? Okay, so it says here on the back of the card, 30% cash back when you snag these on Ipsy Shopper. Oh, okay, so on Ipsy Shopper site or whatever, if you purchase these items. So it's 3 items listed here. You can get 30% cash back. Now it says here, ready to glow, your glam bag, 5 personalized pics, and tons of skincare tips on Ipsy.com are here to help you look and feel radiant all month long. Okay, so it just has some little tips on here, information, and it also lists a few items that you can get the 30% cash back on. So I've never purchased anything from the Ipsy site, and I don't know if I ever will. So let me just dig in my bag and see what I got. Okay, first item looks like a black eyeliner pen, and the one thing I really wish Ipsy would do is I wish they would list, like, instead of all of this information, I wish they would list the product and the value and some information on the actual products that you get in your bag, but they don't. So I just have to tell you what it says on here if I can read it. So it says here, this is from a company called Rivitre by Starlux, and it just says Luxe Pen Artist Edition. So I'm assuming this is just a black eyeliner pen, and it looks like it's like the felt tip kind, maybe. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that, because I'm not gonna open this. And the reason I'm not gonna open this, you guys probably already know, is it's going in my giveaway, because I do not need another black eyeliner, and I don't want this to dry out, if you know, for whoever I give it to. So I'm gonna leave it nicely sealed in this package. But yeah, it just looks like a black eyeliner pen, so that's cool. Okay, next. Okay, let's see what this is. Yeah, I need my glasses, y'all. Trust Fund Beauty. Okay, that's a cute name for this brand, Trust Fund Beauty. It says Lipgasm Lip Gloss. Seriously, Lipgasm Lip Gloss. So this lip gloss is doing a lot. It's cruelty free, and it says here, shoot, this stuff is that's too small. I can't even read that. Hold on, let me open this up. This is in the color Evil Genius. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Trust Fund Beauty Evil Genius Lip Gloss. And you know what? I kind of have this color on my lips already, so I think I'm going to just put this on top of my lipstick just to get a feel for the gloss. Okay, so let's go ahead and just try this on a little bit. Ooh, okay, now that's shiny. Ooh, that's pretty. I actually really like that. Very, very pretty. This applicator leaves a little bit to be desired, but it's still pretty. Okay, you guys, so it's definitely very shiny. It just turned my matte lipstick into a very shiny gloss lipstick. So let me just do a quick swatch so you can see what it looks like without the lipstick. So that's what the gloss looks like by itself. So it's still pretty pigmented even by itself. So that's very pretty. I like it. I like it. I'm probably gonna have lipstick all over my teeth for the rest of this video, but it's still pretty. Okay, so next I have in my bag this cute little item here. Let's see what this is. It's by Hikari and it's a cream pigment. So it's in one of these cute little plastic containers. Let me open it up. It says this is the color Fierce, and this is cruelty free as well. Oh, it's so pretty. This color is very pretty, you guys. I like it a lot. Usually when they send me these, they're usually like a gold or a bronzy type color. So this one is very pretty. I like that color. Let me go ahead and swatch. That's what that color looks like. Oh, that's pretty. I am liking it. Okay, very pretty. All right, Ipsy, you're trying to show out this month. I ain't mad at you. Let's get it then. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Oh yeah, I could definitely see that on my eyes, shining bright. Oh, that's pretty. Y'all like that? Let me know in the comments. That is pretty. The color is Fierce, and it's from Hikari. Okay, so next I have, oh my gosh, what is this? Okay, so I have this cute little bottle here. It has the Kat Von D little drip on it, so I know it's from her. And it says here, Lock It Concealer Cream in the color Deep 33 Warm. Okay, nice. Nice. I'm so happy to get this concealer because I've never tried the Kat Von D Lock It Concealer before, and I'm curious to see if it's any good. I don't know. You guys in the comments tell me what you think about it if you've tried it before. Let me see if I can open this up because I am curious on the shade. My lips are so shiny, you guys. Too funny. Okay, so anyways, this is what the little packaging looks like. Very cute. You know, the little Kat Von D design on there. Very cute. So let me go ahead and swatch this. So I'm just going to swatch this right here. That looks like a very nice concealer color. Yeah, I can work with that. I can definitely work with that. I like it. It's not too light, not too dark. Looks like it might be just perfect for me. Okay, perfect. Next, I have one more item. So I got 5 items in my bag this month. This one is from Murad, and it's Age Reform Exfoliating Cleanser. AHA BHA. I'll have to look that up. You can use this AM and PM, massage over dampened face and neck, and rinse and pat dry. Avoid contact with eyes. Okay, so this is just basically a cleanser that helps to defy age. So very nice. I love different types of cleansers. Let me see if I can smell this. It smells like nothing. It doesn't smell like anything. So if you like cleansers that don't have a scent, you might like this. It doesn't say that it's cruelty free or anything on here, and I'm not that familiar with Murad to let you know if it is cruelty free. But that is what this is, a facial cleanser. So I got some pretty cool items. I got me a nice facial cleanser, age defying. I got a black eyeliner pen that I'm going to give away. I got this Kat Von D Lock It concealer that I'm going to be trying very soon. I also got this beautiful eyeshadow from Hikari in the color Fierce, which is definitely fierce. It is very pretty. And lastly, I got this super shiny lip gloss that I'm wearing from Trust Fund Beauty in the color Evil Genius. So that's my Ipsy bag for the month of July, you guys. Thanks so much for checking it out with me, and I will see you on the next one. Toodles!